ISUPK.
You got. This is the book of Job, chapter 9, verse 24. The earth, the what? The earth, the what? The earth. Hold on, the city. The earth. Hold on, just America. The earth. The whole entire earth, right? Read. Is given into the hand of the wicked. Hold on, it's given unto who? The hand of the wicked. Hold on, it's given unto the hand of the righteous. The wicked. This is what God said, man. That the whole earth is given unto the hands of the wicked. So why in the hell will we consult with the court system to tell us to go back to our land? When the court system do not care about you getting shot in the street. The court system do not care about giving a black man life and him being innocent. They don't give a damn about you. That's right. You want to know why they don't give a damn about you? Read it again. The earth is given into the hand of the wicked. That's why, black man, the most powerful race on this earth is somehow in slavery. Because what? The earth is given into the hand of the wicked. Let me ask you this, black man, who runs the entire earth? Is it the black man that runs this entire earth? Hell no. It ain't no black man running this earth. That's right. We don't have no military. That's right. We don't have no judicial system. That's right. We don't have no court system. That's right. You understand? Who really running the earth? The real person that's running the earth is that Caucasian. You understand? The devil that the Bible speaks of. That's right. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all ain't never know, y'all gonna understand this right now. The white man is the goddamn devil that the Bible speaks of. That's right. I never asked the white man to give me up out my oppression because he's the very one that caused this oppression on black people. That's you understand? Right. That ain't what I'm asking for. Black man, what you need to do is understand, why are you here in the ghettos? Why are we put in this condition? You understand? And I'm going to show you. Take me to Deuteronomy, man. Take me to the book of Deuteronomy 28 and 15. I'm going to show y'all why we're in this condition. I'm going to show y'all why black men hate each other. I'm going to show y'all why we killing up one another. I'm going to show y'all why we don't have no respect for each other, man. Out here in Highland Park. I'm going to show y'all, brother, something, man. You understand? Read. This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, starting at verse 15. But it shall come to pass, if thou wilt not hearken. If we will not what? Hearken. We will not what? Hearken. You know what it means to hearken? To hearken means to listen. That's what hearken means. You understand? And the Lord said, because we did not listen, read, unto the voice of the Lord thy God. Unto who? The voice of the Lord thy God. You know what black people did? We stopped listening to God, our power. You understand? The Lord is the reason why we're here, man. We stopped listening to the Lord, man. We said to hell with them laws, statutes, and commandments. We took the Lord for a joke, man. You understand? We're listening to Christian philosophies in this earth right now, and that's why we're here. We don't want to listen to God. We ain't trying to listen to the Lord. So because we don't want to listen to God, who is a dangerous, terrible power, if you don't believe me, look at the conditions black people in. Look at the conditions we've been facing for over 400 years and ask yourself,
What type of God will put us in a condition that will get our babies killed, man?
That's right.
What type of God that will get us in this condition where we hate one another? The same God that if we don't listen to, these things was going to happen. Because we didn't listen, read.
To the voice of the Lord thy God, to observe and do all his commandments.
Let me tell you something, black people. You understand? Our forefathers made a covenant. They made a contract with God. You understand? To follow his commandments. All right? That's what happened, black people. Our people made a covenant with the Most High to follow his commandments. And you know we did the most dishonorable thing ever. We disobeyed those commandments. We disobeyed our Constitution, man, as God's chosen people. We disobeyed the Constitution to keep us set high above every single nation on the planet Earth. All right? Read.
To observe and to do all his commandments and his statutes, which I command thee this day, that all these curses.
All these what?
Curses.
All these good things.
All these curses.
Hold on. Blessings is coming to black people.
Curses.
Curses, man. You understand? The Lord said if we didn't obey him, if we didn't listen to him, man, that we got curses coming onto us, man. You understand? That's what God said about black people. We didn't listen. We don't hearken. We don't do his laws, statutes, and commandments. He said we're going to be cursed. That's in the Bible, man. This is the same Bible that your grandma used in church on Sunday, man. You understand? You want to know why black people in the conditions they in? Because they don't want to follow the power, man. They don't want to follow God, man.
That's right.
And the Lord said that cursed shall you be. Let's see. Read.
Come, out of our come, and all these curses shall come upon thee and overtake thee.
Not only these curses gonna come upon you, but they gonna overtake you. They gonna destroy your generations. They gonna destroy your life. You understand? Now we got black on black crime.
That's right.
You understand? Now black people all of a sudden, they love to be homosexuals now, man.
That's right.
Now black people that became vile and disgusting, man. That's why the Lord putting you to death. You understand?
That's right.
You right here, right now, in front of the priests and the prophets of God, right now. We're telling you why you going through these things. You want to know why black people can't get along at a barbecue? It's because they can't follow God.
That's right.
They can't follow simple instructions from the person that created them, man. You understand? The Lord said these curses gonna come upon you and overtake you, man. Read.
That all these curses shall come upon thee and overtake thee. Cursed shall thou be in the city.
This is the first curse in the Bible that is talking about that's going to happen to the children of Israel. He said, what?
Cursed shall thou be in the city.
Cursed shall thou be what?
In the city.
Where?
In the city.
Look at every city, every single black city. Look at all the communities in the black communities, man. And guess what? You cursed. You understand? You cursed. You understand? Guess what? You struggling in your black communities. Your community, man, you worried about if you're going to make it home safe. You worried about getting robbed. You worried about getting killed. You worried about getting murdered. You understand? Because you cursed in your city. You don't have no protection by God. God has turned his back on you because you turned your back on God. You understand? God ain't no lame. You know what I mean? God ain't no entity. God is for real. This is the real things that we suffer here in the black communities. You understand? We cursed in our city, man. Look at black communities, man. Look how we live, man. You understand? Look at Highland Park right now. How many murders happen in Highland Park? What's the murder rate for Highland Park right now, man? It's through the roof. Look at all the drugs getting sold and all the dope getting sold here in Highland Park. You can't tell me that the city ain't cursed, man. You can't tell me that black people are not cursed, man. And that's what the Bible said. This is what the Lord said, that cursed shall thou be in the city. Keep reading.
Come, out of our come. Cursed shall thou be in the field.
Cursed shall thou be what?
In the field.
Where?
In the field.
And guess where else you gonna be cursed, black man? You gonna get cursed at that job you working at.
That's
You
right.
understand? One false move and you fired, black man.
That's right.
One false move and you fired, black woman.
That's
You
right.
understand? Because the Lord got it set up that way. The Lord is a just God. All we had to do is follow his commandments. All we had to do is follow his instructions. But instead, we getting destroyed out here. Instead, now, our little babies, we got to worry about little Tim coming up the street and getting hit by a car and getting killed in front of his mama, man. You understand? Do you know the screams of a black woman when she found out that her son got murdered? Do you know the screams and the tears of a black woman and the nightmares she had because her son get murdered in front of her face? It's because the Lord got this city cursed, man.
That's right.
Highland Park, you cursed right now, man.
That's right.
You understand? Keep going.
Come out of my car. Curse shall not be in the city, and curse shall not be in the field.
That's thus said the Lord, man. That's what God say. Don't go in that Christian church and try to find some truth. Come out here on the streets. We're going to tell you the truth, black man.
That's
We're going
right.
to tell you the truth how to get out of this hell that we in, man.
That's
You want
right.
to be a real hardcore soldier, you better come up in the ISUPK.
That's
Under
right.
Commander General, your honor. A man that love black people.
That's
A
right.
man that love his people.
That's
A man
right.
that's honorable for his own goddamn people, man. You understand? We curse, man, because we don't want to listen to the Lord, man.
That's right.
You understand? Give me Deuteronomy 30, give me 28:32. That's why we suffering right now, man. That's why we got Bloods and Crips killing up one another, man. And we the same goddamn race, man. This is why this happening, because we disobey God.
That's
We
right.
disobey the Lord, man.
That's right.
You understand? We
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 32. Thy sons and thy daughters shall be given unto another people.
hold on, what?
Sons and thy daughters shall be given unto another people.
And that right there happened to black people. That right there is you, black man. You understand? That's you, black woman. Your sons and your daughters was taken from you, man.
That's
you understand? That happened not only back in slavery, but guess what? Child Protective Services, you make one false move and they taking your kids, man.
That's right.
This oppressor, this devil that they got up on us, man. Guess what? You make one false move, he's gonna destroy you, man.
That's
He gonna
right.
take your sons. He gonna take your daughters, man. And that's what happened to black people, man. That's why we so destroyed in our mind. That's why our mentality is messed up right now, man.
That's
you
right.
understand? Give me Deuteronomy 28:48, man. Read.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 48. Therefore shall thy serve thine enemies.
Hold on. Therefore, you gonna serve your friends.
Thine enemies.
Hold on. All people should come together.
Thine enemies.
Man, what has Martin Luther King told us, man? How in the hell you let Martin Luther King deceive you and tell you to join the same people that'll put a rope on your neck and kill you and laugh at you, man? How the hell you gonna come and join them? The Lord said that those are our enemies, man. You understand? Keep reading.
Therefore thou shalt serve thine enemies, which the Lord shall send against thee.
That's the power that we dealing with, man. This is the Lord doing this, man. The Lord said he gonna send these enemies upon you if you don't listen to me, man. How the hell could you take God like a game? How could you even play with the Lord like that, man? The Lord, you play with the Lord, black man and black woman. That's why the Lord play with you. That's why the Lord don't mind killing you. That's why the Lord don't mind destroying you, because you don't listen to him, man. You understand? Keep going.
In hunger.
And what?
In hunger.
Guess who we gotta go to, man, when we hungry? We gotta go to our oppressor, man. We gotta go to Walmart. We gotta go to a grocery store that your oppressor owns. He still got you as a slave. You understand? Something like feeding you, something like getting food. Black people, we used to farm, man. We used to be very agricultural. We could have got this our own selves, man. But guess what? We didn't want to listen to our God. We didn't want to listen to the power that was protecting us and got us up out of Egypt, man. You understand? Keep going.
And in thirst, and in nakedness, and in want of all things, and he shall put a yoke of iron upon thy neck.
He shall do what?
Put a yoke of iron upon thy neck.
That right there happened to black people in slavery, man. They put that yoke of iron upon your neck, man. You understand? That right there should tell you and indicate that you are God's chosen people. The Lord showing you and identifying these people right here to be the 12 tribes of Israel, man.
Trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, so packed, I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues. Call this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good shepherd. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain, something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord? Got a tongue like a two-edged sword with